Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today my roommate will be doing my wash and go. As you guys can see, her hair is very much just a little bit different from mine, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? She's been wanting to do my hair for a really long time now. So she watches my videos, she's been watching me do my hair for some years now, so I feel like she, you know what I'm saying, like she should have a good idea of like what to do. You know what I'm saying? She's confident, right? What she thinks?
I feel like I'm pretty confident just because I've seen you before you went natural. Saw you during the process, before you started doing YouTube. And now on YouTube.
Okay.
So I don't see the process, but like the very detailed, like...
Period.
Yeah.
Okay. So because of all that, she thinks she got it. I don't know. Before you guys start watching the video, go ahead and comment below what you think. Do you think she's going to do her thing? Do you think it's gonna be a fail? Like, honestly, I don't know. It's like 50-50 for me. Like, part of me feels like, I feel like she knows. She's not gonna try me, but I don't know. Like, it's just different. Plus, my ends need to be cut, so my hair is not in the best state right now, so it's gonna be a little more challenging for her, in my opinion. But, enough talking. We're just gonna get right into it.
Good?
Oh, boy. Yeah.
Okay. So, we're gonna start. Alright, so I guess I'll get a clip for now.
Okay.
So I can get all these other ones out of the way. Oh, this is two different pieces. Oh, so this is two and then you twist it. Oh, shoot. Okay, I need a better clip. So, I'm gonna start with this little baby section. I know I have all of these products and then some other ones. So
yes.
I think the first one, let me guess.
No, yeah, you got it.
Because I remember seeing it. So for sure this one first, right?
Yeah.
So I also use this. Really funny comparison. So this is the only thing that I put in my hair today.
Mind you, I'm gonna be using, go ahead and tell them what you're using for my hair.
So we have coconut water, leave-in. Yeah. I was gonna read the whole thing, but I was like, I don't wanna do all that. Curling cream, tahini wajid. Sure. Talia? Yeah. So this is the Crystal Biotin Infused Styling Gel. So this goes last. And then very last, which is the most exciting part for me for this whole thing, is to do edges.
Maybe, I mean, damn, sis.
We're gonna go ahead. It's wet enough, right? Do you think?
Go. Sis, you're gonna do your thing. I'm not gonna give you any.
From my experience watching, Miss Caramel Coils always says that it has to be very wet.
Ooh.
So that way.
Attention. Yes.
Or whatever. It has to be wet so that way it can absorb all the moisture from all of the products.
Bruh, listen.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this. Your ends look fine, sis. I mean,
nah.
What do I know?
Wait.
What do I know?
Retweet. But JK.
I almost want to split this piece into another piece.
Really? Go for
yeah,
it.
just because I want to be thorough.
Also, so lately for my wash and goes, because I've been a little more on the lazy side, whenever I'm applying my leave-in, I use a paddle brush just because like I find that when I'm applying my leave-in, I have to keep detangling my hair after I've already detangled it in the shower. So it's just too much. So lately, if it's like too tangled, I just go ahead and apply my leave-in, and to make sure that it's like evenly distributed, I use a paddle brush. It's optional, but yeah, so it's up to you. But that's something you do when you apply the leave-in. You don't put the brush first. This is trying to rip my hair out.
Copy that.
Yeah, no, we don't detangle dry hair.
All right, so I know that I literally for like maybe a fourth of all of my hair will use like this much. So I know that I need to use more, but I also don't want to overdo it. Oh, and we're gonna rake, and then also praying hands too. So it's like this, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let me get my mirror real quick. I gotta see this.
Oh, it's been 2 minutes.
It's been 2 minutes. I know.
It's been 2 minutes.
Sorry.
The lack of confidence you have.
No. I do. I just want to see.
Okay, so I used a little bit of that. It's not super detangled. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some more. Does that look good?
That looks good. Listen, sis. Do your things.
Alright, I'm gonna comb the ends a little bit.
Go for it.
I feel like there are gonna be so many people watching this and cringing.
Really? Why?
Cringing? I don't know. They'll probably be like, oh my god,
what
like
do you think she's doing?
her technique is all off.
Nah.
She's breaking it. She's breaking the ends.
Because you're not doing bad at all. Like at all.
It's looking
You're doing good.
evenly distributed.
Just make sure those ends are like
yes,
not to neglect them. Just
saturated?
because like they're
Not saturated.
Yeah,
right word
saturated, and just make sure that they look hydrated.
Say less, baby.
Yeah.
That means more water.
Possibly, yeah. Sounds entangled.
Oof.
Well, I can't wait for you to like. I can't wait until you're just like, oh, this is exhausting. Let's fast forward to like an hour from now. So it's gonna be like, all right.
Just insert me an hour from now.
Literally.
Brain. Everything is slipping.
Right. Welcome to my life, sis. Welcome to my life.
What the heck?
That's the least, baby. That is the least. But no, that's me too.
I need a clip, but I also need this clip. Where's the other black clip? I got it. You don't worry.
Sorry.
You don't worry.
Sorry.
Worst case scenario, it won't be great. Like, you know when you have those days that you're like,
it's not the best hair day.
And you're like, oh wow, what a good, like, wow, Michelle, look at my hair. It's like such a good wash day. I feel like worst case it just won't be like that. But I don't see it coming out like, oh awful. My God, Michelle, like, what did you do? Put more here. How dare I miss that? Jesus. Something else I just thought about too. That might be a struggle for you.
What?
Is like the back of your head. Like you can never really truly see. Like it's all by feel. Making sure that it all feels.
That's so true, dude. I never even thought about that.
Because like I'm back here and I'm like really, I miss this, and I'm looking right at it.
Bam.
But you you literally just have to be like, oh yeah, this part feels right. Let's move on.
Dude. Literally.
So Steph always shows me Instagram stuff, and one of the things that I'm always obsessed with seeing, it's this whole like little. And then like bounces a little bit.
That's so cute.
And it just shrinks and curls again.
Cute. Yep.
I love it.
Like right now, you're not really worried about definition so much. You're more so just worried about moisture. So
like making sure everything's getting in there.
Yeah, and it's detangled. Sis, you're more thorough than I am with my hair right now. So that's a really good sign.
Oh yeah,
this is feeling really good. It's feeling really good. Yeah. Facts, like no doubt.
All right, everyone. So here is what I have going on so far. Don't be too harsh on me.
Nah, it looks good.
This is just the leave-in.
Run your fingers through it so they can see like.
Yeah. So it's like pretty detangled. Obviously there's like some parts that still catch, but I feel like that's always how it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I think I got everything pretty. Oh my God! I feel like the more I look, I'm like Jesus.
What?
Not that I missed anything, but like
I
could just
it's
add
just
more.
getting dry. That's fine.
You're right.
Y'all see it? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Who can't do hair? Who?
So let's just rewind back to what Steph said in the beginning. I know it.
Yeah. So she's definitely like doing her thing. I've gotten more confidence in her for sure. I think she knows what she's doing.
So basically, I'm done. I can leave.
No. You gotta finish what you started, baby. Look, y'all. It was full when she started, and now look at it. That's how dry my hair is. I wouldn't say dry. Low porosity. That's fine. All right, you guys. I feel like my camera be trying to play me. Like I have no right. I just be looking like Frizz, but that's okay. Y'all gonna see like once the definition comes through. But so yeah, so she just went in with the leave-in all over my head. You know, she was extremely thorough. Honestly and truly more thorough than I am for real. But it looks really good so far. My hair is detangled. It's moisturized. Hydration is there. You know what I'm saying? And like because my ends need to be cut. Yes, like when I run my fingers through it, it's gonna keep doing. It's gonna get caught. But for the most part, the roots are detangled. That's the most important part. Oh, sis, how you feeling so far?
So far, so
be honest,
good.
Be honest.
I feel like I was mentally prepared for a very long, and exhausting like process. So I don't feel exhausted. Like I knew this
because you expected.
Yeah, and I knew it was gonna take like at least like 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That's
so I was
good.
prepared.
Okay.
But for sure, like just imagining you doing this.
I know it's a lot,
like,
isn't it?
Yeah. Like put some more water.
All right, now she's going with the cream. Go ahead and show them how much you're gonna use.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use like that much.
Okay.
Section.
That works.
Just to start.
Yeah, just start off.
So this is one that I'm proud of. So let me see. Yes. as you can see.
Yeah.
So cute.
Defined.
So adorable.
Poppin'.
Oh my lord.
Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna. Let me just see what it looks like.
I don't know. I think Steph needs this mirror taken away from her.
Sorry. Okay.
The whole point is so that
it.
it comes out however it comes out.
You're right. Yeah.
Then I'm wearing some of this.
I can hear that product, boy.
I know. I feel like I'm not using enough, and then I use more, and then it's like too much.
I'm tired, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Tired.
What are you tired of?
I know, right? I think it's probably just like mentally kind of like bored. Maybe that's what it is.
Let's play a game.
No, but I guess when I do my hair.
Okay. All right. So for gel.
Trim so bad. Like the fact that my hair is getting so tangled, and I detangled my hair before I deconditioned, detangled it when we put the leave in, detangling it while putting the cream in. After this, like I need to make a trip to the salon like yesterday. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It should not be struggling like this. If this is a struggle you're having, then you probably need to cut your ends.
Stop making that face.
Sorry, it's not you, it's me.
Okay,
right?
Too much, obviously.
Yeah.
It's because I wet it a lot. I didn't put a lot. Literally, I haven't been putting a lot. This was a challenge.
It surely was. Oh my gosh. Not just a challenge for you, but a challenge for me.
Exactly.
I'm tired, y'all. I'm
I'm still smiling.
tired. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Steph, oh, Michelle's gonna get tired of this. Look at me. Michelle's gonna get this. Michelle's
I'm
gonna get
tired of it. Sorry, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you guys can see, look at this definition. This, okay. Definitely better than I thought. We got a lot of excess product residue because she was a bit heavy-handed, but that's okay.
Because it's always better to use more product than less.
That's my roommate, y'all. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, y'all. She's gonna go ahead and try and do my edges or whatever.
So I've seen edges be done several times.
Mm-hmm.
I've tried to do them on myself several times. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush them up first, just so I can have an outline of kind of like what I want.
Go for it.
Stop.
That's cute. Yeah, that's good. Go ahead. Do your thing.
More gel, right? Yeah, more gel. Don't even answer that. Don't even answer it.
I don't think the gel's the issue. No, go ahead. Do your thing. I'll critique when you're done. Oh my, hold on, y'all. Just so y'all can see what it's looking like. Bruh. Oh, no.
You stop me.
Just making my edges look bald.
Oh, wait. No, I know something else that people do. They get this guy, right? You hit him with a little bit of that. And a little bit of that.
We're finished? Is that it for the edges?
I mean,
Okay, cool.
now I'm insecure about them.
So, tell me what y'all think. Okay, so I see the vision. I really do. I see the vision. These look like baby hairs for real. And like I see the vision, like it's cool, but that's just not my style. It doesn't really fit my face.
Is it like
and they're
you
also
do it
like
up here?
connected. Yeah, I use a lot more hair.
Say freaking less. We're gonna get all of that. Oh my god, this toothbrush is whack.
Is the toothbrush, sis?
I'm struggling.
Oh, another update. Maybe. I mean, damn, sis. They were better before. See what happens? If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Oh my god, it's just I'm trying to figure out. Okay, hold on.
The progression, progressively getting worse.
Oh my god.
Like I don't even have to see it. I feel it. And I know it's wrong. I can already see just how you're holding it. This is scooping it
You
like
go
it's some ice cream. Oh wow.
Alright, that one's done. I'm not touching that one.
Alright, cool.
Alright, done.
So is this it? This is your finished product for the
Yeah,
edges?
for the sake of time, for the sake of everything.
Time.
Oh yeah, because I wasn't being rushed.
Woo! But no. Okay, so hair looks good so far. It hasn't dried yet, but so far it looks good. It looks a lot better than I anticipated. But these edges, sis, they need some work. Let me show
Well,
y'all
maybe
again.
if we
here
had a
she go.
tutorial on how to do edges,
That's
I'd know how to
true.
do them.
I got you guys.
But
You're
it's
right.
too late.
You're right. No. I got y'all with the edge video, but like, oh my god.
What if I get my toothbrush? Can I get my toothbrush?
No. That's it. It's done, sis. It's done. So this is don't beat yourself up about it too much. You know, you did my hair nice, which is the most important part. So imagine she did my whole hair, my whole head, and
What time is it?
the first thing she struggled with was my edges. Isn't that crazy? But that just means I need an edge tutorial for you guys. So we will be back once my hair is fully dry. So that might be tomorrow because we got some stuff to do. But yeah. Do y'all see these curls? Sis did her thing. Sis, what you think? How you like it?
I feel like it's very good. I'm just glad that it didn't come out horrible.
No,
that
not
was
at
my
all.
goal.
Not at all. Y'all, she did the damn thing. I was being real pessimistic and I doubted her in the beginning, like before she started. But nah, like this literally looks like one of my wash and goes. Like it looks like I did it. Luckily, the edges, wore off a lot of bit. We didn't set them. So I was like, there's no way I'm gonna set these edges in place. Like I don't need these to last. Well, she did a terrible job on my edges, but that's okay. That's okay.
We don't talk about that anymore.
We don't talk about that. I'd rather her mess up my edges than mess up my hair because I can always tweak my edges. Like what? That takes like 2 minutes. My
Let them see the back. The back definitely.
Yes. Okay, hold on. Here's a little bit of side action, right? And then the front. The front is really defined. She did that, y'all. What?
Yeah.
Who said type 2 can't do type 3? I mean type 4 hair. Bro, my hair, bruh.
Yeah.
There's not much that I could have done differently, really and truly. Like considering my edges, not my edges, my
Less product.
Okay, yeah. I mean,
Less product for sure because I can feel it.
yeah.
Like I feel it's just not like it's not crunchy.
It's like chalky.
It's just like
it's a little sticky. Yeah, but as far as like how it looks, A1. I couldn't have done anything differently. Especially considering my ends are as bad as they were. She really struggled with the ends, or I would have struggled with my ends as well. I'm gonna get those trimmed. So it nearly took 3 hours for her to do my hair, but she did it, and that's what matters, bruh. Comment below what you guys think. How do you guys think she did my wash and go? Be honest. Comment on the wash and go, comment on the edges, comment on her technique. Tell me what you guys think. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Shout out to sis for coming through.
Thank you.
Slaying my hair. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video.
Put the mirror down.
Okay, I'm done.
Put the mirror down.
I'm done. I swear I'm done.
Turn and face the camera.
Sorry.
You wanna know why we're taking so long?